Happy birthday, Mom.
It's September 3rd. Today is Grandma's birthday. God bless you. My mother-in-law's birthday. Today she is a whopping 85 years old.
Yay.
Right. And she's still moving around. She's active. Maybe a little too active. That's right, Matt. Okay, so I don't have my phone holder, so it's jiggly. So we'll see how the stabilization feature is here on the iPhone. So we're gonna go get her favorite breakfast, which is a breakfast deluxe at McDonald's. And then we'll try to encourage her to come out because it's gonna be a beautiful day. Right?
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
And we have Bowie with us. Hi, Bo. Bo. He's doing really well. His incision from his neutering procedure is looking really clean. And he hasn't had to have any pain meds because it's like nothing to him. Ted's been shining the red light on him, so I'm sure that's helping. Yay! Okay, get away. Going on a Sunday bike ride.
Chaka chaka.
Maybe you should.
1, 2, 3.
Debating if I should bring my Stanley in my basket.
You should.
Okay, can you go get it? Break time. Wasn't even a mile, but that's okay. It was video. Woo, we made it back home. Going to Saigon Pho. Haven't been here in a minute. So, but they're good. I like them. So the other place was closed, probably for the holiday. So we're gonna check out this Barzar Eatery, a Southeast Asian inspired kitchen place.
And the silverware is really nice.
Yeah. Soft opening menu. And we got this other stuff. Today I'm trying out the laksa. And then they got the wings. We ordered the chicken and the pork satay skewers, but I forgot to film that, but they were really good. And the spring rolls. Those were really good. Came with these sauces. I'm not sure what the white sauce is, but it tastes like some kind of citrus sauce with garlic and some chilies. I'm trying to figure out if I like it or not. Matt's order of the beef rendang came in. Look at that turmeric rice, nice and golden. So we got another order of the chicken satay because Trina loves it so much. And that's Ted's order, nasi goreng fried rice, and it's really good. It smells good too. This guy, he went to go order food for his mom. And I guess while he was waiting, he went and got himself an ice cream cone by himself.
Hey.
While the three of us are in the car waiting. Look at this guy. Gosh. Okay, turns out we're gonna go get some ice cream too. Let's go. Wednesday. I know I haven't vlogged in 2 days during the holiday, the Labor Day holiday. I don't think I've vlogged on Sunday. Maybe a little bit, but I know I didn't do much. And then Monday, Labor Day, for reals, I didn't vlog. And then yesterday, I know I didn't vlog either. You know, the kids didn't go to school yesterday. It's like they both had like food poisoning or something. I don't know. We tried a new restaurant in our area, and it's Southeast Asian food. It was like what was it? Indonesian. Did they say Malaysian? Something like that. So it's not food that we're very familiar with, right? And so we went, and the kids, they tried, you know, something new for them, and they ordered something simple that we thought they'll be fine with, you know. So I think really it was these chicken satay. That was the only thing Trina really wanted to eat, was just some grilled chicken. And so and mind you, it was a soft opening, and there was only one server and person taking orders and stuff. So so when we got our food, the first order of the chicken satay, you know, it took a while and stuff, and which we were patient. We weren't in a rush or anything. So that, and then so Trina, she wanted another order. So when we did, it came quicker. So, you know, I didn't think anything of it and whatnot. And so she ate it, and she gave one skewer to Matt. Well, later on that night, she, you know, she was going to the restroom and also throwing up. So it's coming out both ways. I know, TMI. But, and then the following day, let's see, Matt was feeling the same, but not, it was just going to the restroom a lot. And so yeah, so they both stayed home from school, but they're better now, and they went back. But yeah, I think maybe one of the the second batch of chicken skewers was probably rushed to cook. So I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of, because everything else she ate were all the normal stuff that she usually eats. So it's the only thing I can think of. Anyway, today is a work day. What do you call it? But I gotta get my coffee first before the day starts, and then I can get started. All right, got the coffee. It looks a little creamier than the last time, so hopefully it's good. Yep. It tastes so good. Too bad it wasn't the usual that gave me the coffee, because then I would have told them about my last coffee that I got, which was not great. But anyways, okay, let's get to work. Done with work, so I'm heading to go pick up Katrina. Again, it is Wednesday. It's early release day for both of the kids, but Matt, he walks home, and but I still gotta go pick up, or go in the school for both schools to go pick up independent study forms, so that they can be excused while we're gone We're gonna be out of state in less than 2 weeks, so gotta do that. All right, got Katrina and got or signed the independent study forms for her school and picked up the forms for Matt's school. So trying to just get things in order before we go out of state. Yeah, so I mean, I think I'm good with their school stuff. So now it's just more about packing and just getting things done at the house, all of that, like medications for my mom, get that ready, and whatever else they need, like groceries and things like that, so that they don't have to go out of the house. Yeah. How's your day, Trina?
Good.
It's a short day today. And what was something fun you did in school today?
Draw.
Oh, okay. So what did you draw?
Games. Like MASH.
Oh, those games. Okay. All right. So, just waiting for Matt to mow this lawn before we go back home. He's gonna mow it for Grandma. Hi. Not bad for $100.